Welcome to this detailed review of the WazirX wallet, one of the most popular and versatile cryptocurrency wallets on the market today. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about the WazirX wallet, from its key features to its security measures and overall usability. If you're considering using WazirX to manage your digital assets, this guide will provide all the essential information you need. The WazirX wallet is designed to cater to crypto enthusiasts of all levels. Its intuitive interface ensures seamless navigation, allowing even beginners to get started with ease. Upon signing up, you'll notice the variety of cryptocurrencies supported, making it a go-to choice for those who want flexibility in managing diverse assets. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to lesser-known altcoins, WazirX offers a comprehensive platform for your crypto needs. One of the standout features of WazirX wallet is its security. The platform employs advanced encryption technologies to ensure your assets are safe from potential threats. Additionally, it offers multi-factor authentication and cold wallet storage options to further enhance security. For users who prioritize safety, WazirX wallet delivers peace of mind. Navigating the wallet is straightforward. The dashboard provides a clear overview of your portfolio, recent transactions, and current market trends. Sending and receiving cryptocurrency is also simplified, with clear instructions and minimal processing time. WazirX wallet also integrates seamlessly with its exchange platform, allowing you to trade directly from your wallet without needing external tools. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Another advantage of WazirX wallet is its availability across multiple devices. Whether you're using a desktop, mobile app, or browser extension, your account syncs seamlessly, ensuring you can access your funds anytime, anywhere. The wallet also boasts responsive customer support, ready to assist with any queries or issues. For those concerned about fees, WazirX wallet provides a transparent breakdown of costs associated with transactions. You'll find competitive rates compared to other platforms, making it a cost-effective choice for both small and large transactions. Additionally, the wallet regularly updates its features and security protocols, ensuring you benefit from the latest advancements in blockchain technology. If you're still undecided, the WazirX wallet demo mode allows you to explore its features without committing real funds. This feature is particularly useful for newcomers who want to familiarize themselves with cryptocurrency management before diving in. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and stay tuned for more in-depth crypto reviews and tutorials.